What if we could build a vehicle to carry humans into space? What if this vehicle could not only reach orbit, but also return to Earth, landing like an airplane? This was the dream of the Space Shuttle program, a dream that became a reality with the launch of the first shuttle Columbia on April 12, 1981. The Space Shuttle was not just a spacecraft, it was a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to our ability to reach for the stars. The Space Shuttle wasn't just one vehicle, but a complex system of interconnected parts. The orbiter was a marvel of engineering, designed to withstand atmospheric re-entry. Its heat shield, made of thousands of tiles, protected it from scorching temperatures. The external tank, towering over the orbiter, held the fuel that powered the engines. These engines generated over 37 million horsepower during liftoff. The solid rocket boosters provided the initial thrust needed to overcome Earth's gravity. The Space Shuttle system, with its millions of parts, was assembled in stages across the United States. The orbiter was built in California, while the external tank was constructed in Louisiana. The solid rocket boosters were assembled in Utah. Once completed, these components were transported to the Kennedy Space Center in Florida for final assembly. At Kennedy Space Center, the orbiter was attached to the external tank and the solid rocket boosters in the Vehicle Assembly Building, a massive structure taller than any other building in the world at the time of its construction. The assembled shuttle stack was then transported to the launch pad atop a mobile launcher platform, a massive structure that provided power and support to the shuttle during launch preparations. Countdown to departure. Final preparations for launch. Once at the launch pad, the Space Shuttle underwent a series of meticulous checks and preparations. The external tank was filled with liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, a process that took several hours. The orbiter's systems were powered up and tested, and the payload, which could include satellites, scientific experiments, or even modules for the International Space Station, was loaded into the orbiter's cargo bay. The astronaut corps, highly trained men and women, exemplified the spirit of exploration and courage. Finally, the astronaut crew, clad in their bright orange launch and entry suits, boarded the orbiter and strapped into their seats. With the crew safely on board, the countdown clock ticked down to 0, and the Space Shuttle roared to life, embarking on its journey into space. Reaching for the stars, the shuttle's ascent into orbit. With a deafening roar, the Space Shuttle's solid rocket boosters ignited, propelling the massive vehicle skyward. The launch pad shook as the shuttle cleared the tower, leaving behind a trail of fire and smoke. The orbiter's main engines, fueled by the external tank, provided additional thrust. The ascent was a testament to human engineering, captivating the world. As the shuttle climbed, it encountered Max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic pressure. Moments later, the solid rocket boosters were jettisoned, falling back to Earth under parachutes. The orbiter, now lighter, continued its ascent, powered by its main engines. At about 100 kilometers, the main engines cut off and the external tank separated. A legacy in the stars, the enduring impact of the Space Shuttle. The Space Shuttle program, spanning 3 decades, was a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore beyond our planet. It not only advanced our understanding of space, but also led to the development of countless technologies that we use today in fields such as medicine, communications, and materials science. The program also inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers, igniting a passion for space exploration that continues to burn brightly today. The Space Shuttle may be retired, but its legacy lives on. Its contributions to science, technology, and our collective imagination are immeasurable. As we look to the future of space exploration, we carry with us the lessons learned and the inspiration gained from the Space Shuttle program. The journey to the stars continues, and the Space Shuttle will forever be remembered as a pioneer in that grand adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please follow us, leave your comments below, and let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming videos.